Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports night mode and is updated. This matters because sensor and software combine to capture more light. Open the camera app, choose the proper lens, wide or ultra-wide, and watch for the night mode icon and exposure timer. Once visible, steady the phone on a tripod or firm surface, then tap to lock focus and exposure. This prevents hunting. Do this now, because capturing a long exposure requires stability, and the camera needs those extra seconds to collect light. You continue by controlling exposure and focus. Night mode offers a slider to extend exposure time, so push it up to the maximum for darker scenes. This collects more photons and reduces grain. Next, lock AE/AF so the camera won't remeter mid-shot, and use exposure compensation to tame blown highlights. Make sure not to use the flash. Flash flattens detail. If you want maximum editing headroom, enable Pro RAW or shoot in a high-quality format, because that preserves detail for noise reduction. You finish by reviewing and editing. Open photos to reduce noise, increase clarity, and gently recover highlights. Small adjustments go a long way. For deeper control, import Pro RAW into Halide or Lightroom for advanced denoise and sharpening. This is why shooting RAW helps. If night mode does not appear, troubleshoot quickly. Lower ambient light, disable flash, check the lens is unobstructed, restart your iPhone, and confirm iOS is current. These steps usually restore night mode functionality immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.